You are going to love the 2021 Express Commercial Cutaway. The Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway van. Flexibility and durability are hallmarks of the 4500 chassis, as it was engineered to support the needs of 3 primary applications: school buses, shuttle buses, and ambulances. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, backup camera. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.